Look, I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to dudes, we face certain annoying problems that sometimes it's hard to fix, like unwanted boners, unwanted BO. Like, yo, we're really out here battling problems all day long. Good thing you have your older brother there battling with you, because I'm gonna give you everything you need to know to fix these annoying problems on the spot. Let's hop into it. Number one, I call them denim boners. You know exactly what I'm talking about. You sit down, as soon as you stand up, boop, your jeans are making it look like you got a boner and you're not even excited, but now it's embarrassing because everybody's looking like they're wondering, why is this dude excited? There's a room full of guys here, you get the point. See, but this usually happens because there's extra clothing or too much fabric in that area that ends up scrunching up because of two reasons. One, your belt is too tight. See, if your belt is too tight, that extra fabric's gonna slip under the belt and give you that unwanted denim boner. So all you gotta do is simply loosen the belt just enough so it sits on your waist and holds up your pants, while also allowing the fabric to be able to move underneath it smoothly so it doesn't get stuck underneath. The second thing is, make sure your pants fit right in the waist. See, if there's too much fabric in that area, this is always bound to happen. Number two, patchy beards. Look, it's embarrassing, bro. We're out here being 23, 24, 25, and we look like we're still in mid-puberty. We're trying to have a full-grown beard. I get it. I was there. Yo, you can go back and watch the footage. 3-4 years ago, my beard was patchy. It was embarrassing. I hated it until I started working on it. See, the truth is that anybody can grow a beard, and even if you can't grow it naturally, there are natural solutions that you can start doing daily that are gonna help you. One of the most powerful ones, use a derma roller. Look it up. You can go on forums and see the before and afters. It is incredible how good this product is at activating sleeping hair follicles to start growing some of that hair, especially in regions where you got a lot of patches. Well, this October 16, boys, at 10 a.m. Eastern, we're dropping our very own derma roller from He Grooming. See, our derma roller, I designed it in this dark matte gray color, which looks sick. It's gonna look good in your bathroom, and it's one of those tools that are gonna make you look better, so of course we had to add it to our store. See, He Grooming is all about designing masculine tools for men that make you look better. And this derma roller is exactly that. See, this is an essential. Not only is it good for beard growth, it's also good for just your skin. If you want beautiful skin, removing fine lines, fine wrinkles, minimal scarring, especially from acne, this thing is great at doing that. And the best part is, boys, the best part, our derma roller, it's gonna be crazy affordable, which you already know what that means. Just because it's gonna be affordable, this stuff is probably gonna fly. And if you don't put a reminder on your phone, October 16th, 10 a.m. Eastern, I'm telling you, this stuff is gonna fly off the shelves and you're gonna miss it. I don't want you to miss it. Number three, I call it saggy butt, diaper butt, poopy butt, whatever you wanna call it. See, nobody wants that pancake butt when you wear jeans, when you wear sweatpants. You want those sweatpants to be nicely filled out, because I promise you, girls are staring. And when you got no butt, you don't look as athletic. And you're basically telling the world you skip leg day. The two things you wanna do here is very simple. One, make sure your pants fit on your hips. If it's too big on your hips, it's always gonna look like you got a pancake butt. It's gonna look like you got nothing working back there. Two, you better never skip leg day. I've told you this 1,000 times. Your legs are the base. They're the foundation of your physique. If you're not working on your legs weekly, you're really missing out on all that testosterone build and that structure that really fills in the pants. However, once you do start doing that, if you're still too skinny, you're still not filling in the pants, you can try filling in. So you can use sport shorts underneath your denim that really fill in the pants to make the jeans look a little bit fuller and not as empty as if you got ghost butt. Number four, your arms can fill up a shirt. See, when you wear a short sleeve shirt, whatever it is, a button down polo, t-shirt, you want the arms to show off. You want that shirt to be nice and tight around the biceps to show the world your gains. However, there's gonna be situations where sometimes either your biceps are too small or the shirt's just too large and it doesn't stay put. I get it. You got two solutions here. One, roll up the sleeves. This is the easiest one. It adds a little bit of a style flair to it while also showing off the guns that you're trying to show off. Two, try the tuck and pull. It's super easy. I've showed you this years ago. See, if it doesn't fit, you just want to stretch your arms out as far as you can, and then just pull in. See how that fabric grasps right underneath? Well, when you do that with a short sleeve, you're really showing off the biceps, and then just hold that position. You're relaxed, you're cool, you're chilling. See, nobody's stressed out. You're looking good, you're looking thick. Talking about thick, let's talk about those chicken legs. You got small calves. Matter of fact, I think like 95% of men got small calves. We're working with chicken legs around here. Even if you do hit leg day, but that's fine. See, here's your hack. You want to use short shorts and pair them with long tube socks. This move right here, what it does is it visually shortens the length of your leg, which automatically makes the leg, or especially that calf area, look thicker. Doing this combination is single-handedly the best move to make it seem as if you got athletic calves. And finally, number 6, pockets that flare out. I hate this. When you wear chinos or dress pants, if the pins are too tight, what's gonna end up happening is you're gonna cause ripples in your crotch area, and then your pockets are gonna flare out, and every time you walk, it's like your pockets are flaring out left and right. It's like you're doing turn signals. So to fix this, it's simple. All you wanted to do is make sure, again, it's all about fit. Chances are the pants are too tight around that butt region. So all you gotta do is size up. So if you wear a 32 on the waist, go for a 33 or 34, it's gonna be looser on the waist, but it's gonna fit perfectly around the hips. And then the waist, you can easily go to a tailor, get that nicely tailored, and you're good to go. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 annoying problems guys deal with, and like I told you, your brother got you covered, how to fix them. That's it for me today. See you next time.